Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Khansati Binti Ali Muhammad. Welcome to my channel Biology by Binti Ali. In this video, we will solve the MCQs and exercise of chapter number 2, Biological Method from 9th class. Question number 1 and circle the correct answer. 1. Select the correct sequence of biological method. A. Law, theory, reasoning, hypothesis. B. Hypothesis, theory, law, reasoning. C. Hypothesis, reasoning, theory, law. D. Law, hypothesis, reasoning, theory. The right answer for this MCQs is C. Hypothesis, reasoning, theory, and law. MCQs number 2. Select the odd one. A. Theory, B. Law, C. Hypothesis, D. Ratio. The right answer for this MCQs is D. Ratio. MCQs number 3. Field of research that examine mathematical representation of biological system called A. Ratio, B. Mathematical biology, C. Proportion, D. Law. Right answer for this MCQs is B. Mathematical biology. MCQs number 4. Biological method involves all of the following except A. Data collection, B. Observation, C. Experiment, D. Proportion. The right answer for this MCQs is D. Proportion. MCQs number 5. Scientific reasoning moves from specific to general. A. Inductive, B. Deductive, C. Observation, D. Both A and B. The right answer for this MCQs is A. Inductive. MCQs number 6. Quantitative observation is the use of A. Senses, B. Equipment, C. Guess, D. Ratio. The right answer for this MCQs is equipment. MCQs number 7. Equation stating that two ratios are equal. A. Ratios, B. Proportions, C. Gas, D. Senses. The right answer for this MCQs is B. Proportion. MCQs number 8. The comparison of two values is called A. Ratio, B. Proportion, C. Graph, D. Table. The right answer for this MCQs is A. Ratio. MCQs number 9. What is a hypothesis? A. The same thing as an unproven theory. B. A tentative explanation that can be tested and is falsified. C. A verifiable observation. D. A fact based on quantitative data that is falsified. The right answer for this MCQs is A. The same thing as an unproven theory. MCQs number 10. In data organization, which method is mostly useful? A. Table, B. Graph, C. Ratio, D. Both A and B. Right answer for this MCQ is D. Both A and B. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. Problem-solving approach of biology and other sciences called biological method. Number 2. Solution of biological problem starts with observation. Number 3. The key component of the scientific process is hypothesis. Number 4. Scientific reasoning based on if-then statement called deductive reasoning. Number 5, final step of scientific method is developing conclusion. Number 6, the uniform or constant fact of nature, virtually and irrefutable theory is law. Number 7, once you have the data, you may need to perform dish analysis, mathematical. Number 8, the equation stating that two ratios are equal is called proportion. Number 9, ratio is comparison of dash values, two values. Number 10, the cause of malaria is plasmodium. This was all about chapter number 2, exercise. If you have any confusion, you can ask the question. I will answer in the comment box. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.